Others use to upload stories on Snapchat. If you want to save someone's story to your gallery, you can do that. In this video, we'll show you how to save others' stories to your gallery on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app. After launching the app, you'll notice the Stories section. You should tap on that option. When you enter this section, you can browse through and see all the recent stories that your friends have posted. As an example, let's say there's a particular friend's story that I'm interested in saving to my device. To begin saving it, simply tap on their story to view it. While watching the story, look for and press the three dots icon that appears in the corner of the screen. This will bring up several options, including one labeled Save in Chat. Go ahead and select that option. What this does is send the story directly to that person through your chat with them. Now you'll want to exit the story view and navigate to the chat section located at the bottom of your screen. Find and open your conversation with the person whose story you're saving. Inside this chat, you should now be able to see the story you just sent to yourself as a message. There's something very important you should be aware of here. The other person will receive a notification about this action, so they'll know that you've chosen to save their story. To actually download it to your gallery, press and hold on the story in your chat until a menu appears, then choose the Save to Camera Roll option from that menu. After selecting this, the story will be successfully saved to your device. You can verify this by opening your phone's gallery app and looking in the dedicated Snapchat folder where you'll find the saved content. Please note that the original poster will also get an additional notification informing them that you saved a photo from their story. And that's it. Now you know how to easily save someone else's story to your gallery on Snapchat. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.